Hello, hello, good morning. I hope the sound's not too loud. I think it's fine. All right, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna share my screen so we can go over some stuff. I hope everybody's doing well, right? It's the beginning of the week. Hope people doesn't have like too much loss this week, you know. All right, 43 people. Drop a like on the stream. That's just, that's just help the algorithm to push the stream to other people, so I think it's nice. But all right, so let's start the analysis for tonight, right? I'm gonna trade Euro USD like usual, and I'm gonna turn on my FX4 model, right? Alert set, nice, perfect. All right, where we are. I haven't checked the chart yet, really, to be honest. So I want to see what's going on with that. Okay, so we are far above the previous daily high. I feel that we can like, I feel this is like an engineering liquidity. Basically, just gonna wipe out those people, because I think the price can come back inside previous daily range, maybe like reach EQ from previous daily, right? I think that might make sense. So right now we kind of wipe above the previous 4-hour high. The new 4-hour just opened like 36 minutes ago, right? So kind of go against those people here. I feel like that's the feeling that I got on this setup. So this is the Asian range high here, right? So we are, I think I'm just gonna sell this thing actually, to be honest. But at the same time, I want to see the sentiment, right? I want to see what's the retail doing right now. Are they shorting? If they are short, price might continue going up. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty early still, like 1 hour a.m., 1 a.m. So, you know. So if I remove my FX4 model, you can see we wipe above the previous 4-hour high, So I think we can reach probably 4-hour EQ, but we'll see. Because this is technically, this 4-hour high is technically previous. It's a PD array, right? So this is a premium array, basically. So I want to see midnight open as well. I think that might be nice to see. So this is midnight open, right? Midnight open. Okay, so we kind of reject midnight open. So I want to see like a real breakout of that, to be honest, right now. So I can identify that. This is midnight open. All right. So damn, this song is going too crazy. I feel like no. Okay. That was like, this song was forcing me to press button right now. I don't want to push button yet, like this shouldn't just start almost. Do we have some people in a trade right now? I don't know. Looks like a sell today, honestly. Looks like a sell, but I want to see a sentiment. That's the thing. So FX book, my FX book website is bugged right now for some reason. Look, connection timeout. We'll see. So my FX book is bugged right now. That's cool. Too many retail trying to see what's going on. I feel like. But yeah, if you understand this tool, like right now, I feel like we can reach EQ here. I'm in sell. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So basically, you are in premium, you know, rejecting the previous 4-hour high, creating this new high here above midnight open, you know. Because look, this is the midnight open line, you know, here. So we can grab above this high. That still might actually make sense. I just personally, if you're going to 1 minute, you know, like I just don't like this displacement, you know, like I would like something more obvious, you know, more obvious. So for now, I'm not gonna press any button yet, you know. I want to chill for now, to be honest with you. 20-minute left. We have a 15-minute close in 4 minutes. You know, maybe I want to see that and maybe anticipate the last 15. So that's the thing, like, hey, first live, nice, welcome. Nice. That's a lot of folks actually. 62 people. Yeah, I think that's the biggest live that I'd ever done yet. That's cool. So that's gonna be an FX4 model, but right now we technically above previous daily high, you know, and that was my concern this week. But I mean that was not a concern, but I have those high in my. I want to see those eye get clear, but you know I don't believe we can go straight up. You know. This particular high here, this is my final target. That's like the last bus, you know, for this setup. So I'm gonna call that. So maybe I can say the exact date. So that's 26 April. So April. Maybe I can just type 26. You know, something like that. But how many pip it is? I'm kind of curious. So it's 76 pip. Okay. How many pip was this move here? 58 pips. So that was yesterday move. 58 pips. Okay, no, this was previous day. 24 pips. So we kind of. That's the thing. Look, we activate some buyer over here, right? Above this small high. But not even that. It's equal high that we just taken out here, right? So maybe, you know, just feel this imbalance could be nice. But it's gonna be a scalp for sure. So is my FX book website is fixed right now or not? Waiting for elephant to jump in the pool? Yes, exactly. That's what I'm waiting for, basically. That's exactly what I'm looking for. If I go on 15 maybe, let me see what's going on right now. So this 15 minutes gonna close 1 minute 40 second. Last 15 minute was convincing actually. That was clean. We break this low here, so we probably have a market structure shift in the lower time frame if we identify this low here. When we go on a 2 minute maybe, you see. But there's no fair value yet. There's nothing, you know, like it's just small weird candle, you know. I don't wanna. I wanna see like a real, you know, a juicy one, a juicy pip, a juicy move, you know, like just a real move. This is just too slow, you know, just too slow. I like those candle here because, you know, they show me that this is a manipulation, you know, because look, this candle here break above those high, right? This move here break above this small equal high here. If you identify this eye here, look at this move here, break above this eye, deliver downside, you know, activates a buyer more here, boom, deliver sell side. So in premium from this accumulation range of 9 hours, not bad. I mean, yeah, it's 26-second def. They're gonna move right now. So we're just taking this low here. But still, the setup is still valid, you know. But I just don't want to short here for now, to be honest. I really want like a real grab above this eye. I think this eye here can be taken, and I'm gonna show my daily candle. I want to see my actual daily candle. So that's my actual daily candle. So we open here, right, in this area, grab below those low here, exactly. But you know, this low here seems to be intact. I want to see that in a very smaller time frame, like a Colombo, you know. So yeah, that's what's the data on that. So that's, if you check here on my screen, you have the data, right? So the low is 1.9966. This low here is okay. So technically we kind of grab here. It's the mini grab, right? It's nothing. Damn, this is savage. All against those people. Can you imagine that? All right. Oh, this candle is cool. That's a nice 15. If we go on the 15 here. Okay, so this is the actual 50. So all right, so look what I'm gonna do, right? So I'm gonna, this is gonna be my daily, right? And I'm gonna use the PO3 plus. So I can show you guys the 15-minute, and it's gonna be more clear maybe for you guys. I'm gonna put an offset on that. Just prepare my setup, you know, like no pressure, just relax, you know. This PO3 here. Okay, so that's the plus that I wanna change the offset. I'm gonna put 0, I think. All right, that's cool. And I can show maybe 3 candle, you know. 4, 3, 4. I think 3 is fine. Yes, 3 is fine, perfect. There's a news for GBP. We're fine, I think, because I'm trading EU, so, but still gonna have some impact. 95 viewers, god damn it. I never check that usually, but you know, that kind of make me watch, you know. So FX4, you have not FX4, but if you guys look at this website here, I'm gonna post in the chat, right? But this website here, can you guys see it right now? Because on my end, I cannot see anything from this website. So, you know. So I'm gonna also put my website on the, just gonna put my website here on the, uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna pin this message. So if people want to join the Discord, you can use this link basically. Nothing complicated. I'm gonna put the performance mode on my, all right. So here's the thing, right? if we take a fib on this candle here, we just go in the premium zone, kind of reject that. We'll see. That's what I like from my tool here. If I use this tool here and I put maybe 15 minute, so, and we go on the 1 minute, so you can see the price going back inside the previous premium 15, you know, and kind of reject it. So, but that was the imbalance here too, you know. So let's see. I would like maybe this 15-minute high to be respect, you know. If I want to go down, example. If I want a short, example. I don't want to short now, you know, but FX book is down this, yeah, it's down, right? No, okay, so I'm not crazy yet. Okay, so I have another website that I can go check just to get an overall ID, you know. And the other website is on my Discord link somewhere. So, oh, so this website. All right, Euro USD. Let me see that. Damn, 86. Okay, so 86% of retail traders short right now on EU for my fixed book. So the average is 27% buy, 70% short. So that means there's a lot of people short right now, you know. So where their stop loss gonna be, you think? Where their stop loss gonna be? You know? I feel right now it's a trap, you know. We don't want to be in this trap right now. I don't want to. I don't want to be in this trap actually. Oh, I need to remove that. All right. One sec. Yeah. All right. Yeah, but I just don't trade GU, you know, so I'm not a big fan. I don't like the spreads. That's the only reason that I trade EU, basically, because the spread is low, you know, commission is low, like everything is better, I feel like. More liquidity, less volatilities a little bit, so, you know, you never get stopped out for weird reason, you know. That's the two biggest currencies in the world, right? So that's the reason that I like EU, and I'm always gonna stick with EU because, you know, it's my favorite pair. If you want a milk, like, EU is the milk, you know. Yeah, you know, I just, because that's the thing, you know, like, look at those people, man. Look, all those people buying, buy. I mean, it's not people buying, like, it's literally people that have a stop above or get stopped out. Put a stop here, get stopped out. Put a stop here, get stopped out. Put a stop here, get stopped out, you know? All those people getting fucked right now. All those sellers getting fucked, basically. So all those push moves you see here, it's just, you know, against all those sellers, basically. But it's kind of sketch, you know, because we are above previous daily high. But still, we might get some setup. We'll see. 20 pip here. Maybe I would like to see this below big. Okay, so I would like this low to be taken out, actually. The reason why is there's probably, if we can go down and break this low, we're gonna activate a lot of seller, right? If we activate a lot of seller, the price can bounce back. And then it's gonna be the liquidity, basically. We're gonna eat all the stop loss one by one, you know. So that's gonna be my idea, I feel like. So they're probably gonna drop here, you know, activate more seller and just pull back maybe tomorrow. I want to see too if we are on a round level. So we have a major round level here, 1.1000. You see that reaction here? This daily candle might flip below this 100. We'll see. It's, by the way, gonna be a next indicator that I'm gonna push for free. So it's gonna be nice. It's a very, it's like the simplest tool that you can imagine in your life. Look, there's no setting. You not even can change the color. Like, it's just very, very simple, you know. But look, if I remove everything, so I remove that, remove that. You see those lines? Look, 1.09500. Look at this reaction here. See that? $1.05500 here. I would like maybe to see this eye taken out eventually. I'm gonna go on 30-minute. But look on the 30-minute how it's clean. You see that? Look at this reaction to 1.9500 here. Look at this reaction here from 1.05500. See that? Look at this reaction here from 1.00. So, you know. Because liquidity pool is also round number sometimes, you know. Might be weird, but it's not really. Because that's a psychological round number, right? So everybody gonna buy and sell here, so price can react of those levels. That's why I'm just having this tool on the side, you know. All right, so let's go back on the X4 model. So they kind of drop right now, 3 minutes left. It's almost 3 a.m. so price already took out previous daily high. Yeah, exactly. But that's the thing. Everybody's a website is buggy. Oh, that's weird. If you're not able to complete the transaction, you can contact me by email. Yeah, my free tool is very legit. Yeah. That looks very okay. So this FX4 model indicator looks very like simple, right? But in reality, it's not really simple. There's a lot of engineering behind that. Like, it's not only like a box, you know. It's not only a simple box, you know. Like, it's a very, very how I can say that, a well-engineered box, basically. I don't know. Damn, 2 minutes left. You see that mega dump? Look at this 15-minute close. It's not closed yet, but damn. Okay, so those people getting absolutely wrecked. That's the reason you never buy on a premium price. You see what's going on right now? You're gonna get fucked up like that if you do that. Damn, that's that's crazy. You see that? What is OHLC? So it's open, high, low, close. And you have open, low, high, close, basically. It's just the way the candle is forming, you know. For example, this is your high, this is your open, this is your low, this is your close. I have to buy a good camera. I mean, do I show my face right now? Because if my camera is on right now, I don't know what's going on. Because I don't have any camera plug on my PC right now. Nope, no webcam. Okay, maybe, yeah, maybe it's your connection, you know, or something. Or maybe your app is not updated, you know. So, to be honest, right now I'm just observing, you know, I don't want to trade that shit. You know, I don't want to be involved in that. Oh, damn, you see that move at 2 a.m? God damn it. Oh, we're gonna go for those high, I feel like. No? Above those previous 215 high. I mean, if you get screen capture, is it like really blurry or something, or what the fuck? Because the connection is good. I just don't want to reset my stream, to be honest. Because it says like 60 FPS, everything looks clean, I feel like, on my side. Should be fine. Should be fine. No, I just don't trade because I don't want to trade. I'm watching for now. I don't want to be involved in the market open. And I want to see what's the reaction's gonna be. Okay, so some people say all good and some people say it's blurry, so can I do like a poll or something with YouTube? I don't know. Damn, you see that? That's what I want to see, damn. That's a liquidity grab right now. That's a displacement. So what I think they're gonna do right now is they're gonna activate more buyer above this high, then aggressively come back inside the range and retarget this low, activate more seller, and just exploding to the upside. But it's just a theory, you know. H4, yeah, I think I can put H4 here on my bucks. But that's the thing, right? Look, the H4 open at 21, close at 1 a.m. and this was a bullish order flow. What does that mean? That means the price open here, and during this 4-hour range, price close here. So for me, this is a 4-hour bullish order flow, you know. How many hours? Maybe 15 minutes? No, 33 minutes. But I'm not trading right now. I'm just observing. So. Okay, so right now I can put my bucks 1 hour, right? Yeah, look at this reaction as soon as the market opened at 2 a.m. Look at this candle. Whoop. How many pips it is? Curious. 8.6. Kinda crazy. Okay, so those PO3 is this. The first one is my 15-minute. So this is 15-minute. This is 15-minute. That's the 15-minute here. This 15-minute. This 15-minute. And this is my daily, my actual daily. So, and this 15-minute, if you check that, doesn't have any bottom wicks. So it's kind of sus, to be honest. So we are technically in premium zone from this 9-hour range plus the previous hour range. But I don't want to push anything for now. There's just no setup, you know. How many pip is this range here? Kinda curious. It's a 25 pip range, okay. That's a 250 round number here, right? I feel like. Here. Okay. What is this line here? Okay, so that was those high here. Okay. Very nice reaction. Damn. I don't have any setup for now, to be honest. I'm just watching. I'm just observing because there's no reason to activate anything, you know. So this is my midnight line open. So this is a nice factor that we can check. I just want to read the narrative after midnight just to see what's going on, right? So look, this is midnight open, straight up. What happened next on midnight open? So we grab liquidity above this special high here. What happened next? Okay, so we pull back here, grab above this eye too, and then deliver to stops. And we actually actually stopped out those people here. Damn, that's crazy. See that? That's a small, just to be annoying, you know, like they stopped out those people here. So all those people here, if you check a range maybe, so this, can I, okay, so this thing here from here to exactly here's 3.5. Okay, so we wipe everybody from 3 hours, 4 hours basically. Okay, wait a minute. Is it the last 4 hour that we just wiped? The low? Almost. Okay, almost. That was close, god damn it. Can put more offset on that. I feel they are too packed up. You know. But yeah, right now I'm vibing. Like I'm just observing. Look, we just wiped the 15-minute high here. This 15-minute high, we kind of wiped it. So maybe we're gonna deliver to downside in this particular 15-minute low. You know. So the algo reset at midnight open, basically. The algo gonna recalculate the previous range and see where's the high, where's the low, Fibonacci. Engineering liquidity, target that high, and blah blah blah, back and forth. So that's why like using midnight opens can be useful, to be honest. This was my midnight open line here. So we grab above this Asian range I, drop down, deliver to stop loss, right? So that's the thing, that's very boring right now because there's no trade, you know. So I do a live stream, but you know, there's no trade, so there's nothing to do. So my biggest struggle is understanding time correlation with price. Yeah. I mean, it depends on your style, you know. If you're more of a scalper, you can use previous 1 hour range and do something with it. You know, that's what I do sometimes. So 4 minutes left for 15-minute close. Previous 1 hour close bearish, 30-minute close bearish. H4 still bullish, daily still bullish. So let's see. That's not my favorite setup, to be honest. I don't like this setup. Like when my accumulation range is above the previous daily high by a lot, you know, like just a very huge. I just don't like this setup. We'll see, but I just don't believe that. I truly believe that we can probably can reach previous 50 AQ here, previous daily AQ. Because look, that's the daily wicks. That's very small wicks. Look, that's exactly 4.7 pips. Do you believe that? A bottom wicks from a daily, like there's no reason the price can go up if we don't grab further more downside, you know. So and since everybody's already shorting on EU, I truly believe that we can activate more seller and then going back up. All those low here have a lot of sell stop, right? So yeah, honestly, maybe the setup's gonna be at 3 AM for silver bullet. Because right now, there's nothing, you know, like. I'm gonna delete everything, clean that up. And to be honest, I don't want to short here. Because look at what this did the whole night. Since the daily open, they just pushing above all those stop loss. You see that? All those people that try to short, they all get wrecked. So I don't really want to short right now, to be honest. You know, I don't want to be caught by that. If I enter short right now and they decide to push above here at 3 AM, where I'm fucked, you know, so I don't want to be fucked. So I'm just waiting, you know, I'm just chilling. My money's still in security, you know. Oh, silver bullet with this indicator is so good, so easy. It's really, really good. Because look, you literally, I can probably like draw something. It's maybe that can help a little bit, but for example, like, so let's say we have, okay, so I'm gonna draw everything and maybe you guys can understand better that. Because anyway, there's nothing to trade right now, so don't worry about that. Okay. So what's the tool do basically, right? And this is the OHLC tool, right? It's just it's very basic. You can do that. Like if you want, if you don't want like to buy the tool, you can draw that if you want. But eventually, if you like it, because you know, like that's a setup that repeat over time, you know. So if you know, if you want to try that, you're free to try it. You know? So this is okay. So I'm gonna just draw basically better, but okay, so let's say, right? Let's say this is 2 a.m. You know. Let's say this is 3 a.m. So that's gonna be that's literally an example from a silver bullet right now that I'm doing, right? So what information we have right now? We know that the 2 a.m. candle open here, right? Maybe I can use, maybe I can use that. All right, so 2 a.m. candle open here, drop here, pull back here, come back to an, you know, just whatever was happening. Reach that high, close here, right? So this was your 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. 1 hour candle, right? So I can draw beside if you want to understand better, but this is gonna be your candle basically, right? And just put a border on that. Maybe I can put that green. All right, this was your previous 1 hour prior to silver bullet open. So what I want to see, right, personally, that's my personal way to trade silver bullet. You can do whatever you want, right? But based on my experience and what I've did in the past using this specific setup, right? Maybe I can, maybe not. I just want like, all right, so that's the way that I trade it. So for me, right, if we go above this 1 hour high, for me it's an external liquidity, right? So let's identify that. So X lick. So that's my external liquidity basically. I don't want to. Okay, so let's just use that, right? It's gonna be more simple, I feel like. And what you get on the bottom too, you get an external liquidity here as well, you know, because that's the previous 1 hour high, that's the previous 1 hour low, basically, right? So as soon as the price open on the next, that's a silver bullet here, right? That's a silver bullet here. So where we are right now, we are in premium from previous H1, right? Discount from previous H1, external liquidity below the H1 low, external liquidity above the previous H1 high. So what I'm looking for, so I want to see the price open like that. I want to see a grab in external liquidity above this previous H1 high. I want to see a displacement back inside the range, breaking below the opening price, pull back into a 1 to 5 minute. So example, if you want to go on the 1 to 5 minute time frame, you can see a fair value gap on this displacement. you want to see the displacement between want to see a displacement between the market structure shift and the actual I from this liquidity graph. So if you find a fair value gap here, example, right, and you use your OTE, you put this here, and I'm gonna reverse it because it's the wrong way. You always put the 100 on top, because if we retrace 100%, your setup is not valid anymore, you know? Like, your fair value gap is fucked. It's absolutely fucked. It's closed, you know? So you want to see the price retrace between 50%, 62%. That's going to be your optimal entry, right? Into fair value gap from this displacement, you know? So this is your market structure shift here. So I can't put that red example, right? Then what's next? You are going short in this area. Put your stop above this I, because that's the 100% from this retracement, right? And you don't want to see the price going above. So, wait. Okay, you don't want to see the price going above this I. That's your base. That's your, technically, that's the stop loss that got, you know, that's the buy side that just got taken out, you know. So you want to take a short in this specific sweet spot, you know. And you can retarget the equilibrium from previous H1. So what does that mean? On a higher time frame, right? So I hope it's clear. That's very clear, I feel like. No, is it? So I can use this candle here. So I'm just gonna reproduce the movement of this H1 on a lower time frame, right? I'll put that black because it's a bearish candle now. But basically, all right, the new H1 open, go up above this I, activate some buyers, right? Activate some buyers. So when we activate buyer, what we want to see? Want to see a delivery, right? So we want to see those low got taken out inside this range, internal liquidity. Want to see this AQ to be taken, because this AQ is actually our equilibrium from this previous range. So price always like want to retrace in this zone, you know. And look, price gonna go back to AQ, you know. So maybe I can add the wicks as well if you want. And there's not really a bottom wick, it's just a small, very small bottom wick, you know. But this is your silver bullet setup. That's what I use all the time when I want to trade silver bullet. So I want to see like a grab above previous H1, external liquidity. So because you always can decide, I mean, you know, oh, this week should be here, you know. So look, this H1 here, break above this previous H1 high, activate buy side liquidity activated here. So what's next? When the buy order is activated, what we want to see? We want to see displacement back inside the range, market structure shift, right? Pull back into fair value gap. Fair value gap, you want to see your fair value gap between the market structure shift and the high from this grab, right? This specific range, maybe I can identify that, you guys would really understand. But this exact range, you know, so you want to see your fair value gap into this range, this specific range. And then, you know, like you take your entry here, boom, retarget EQ from previous H1, you know, price rebalance. And if you don't close here, it's pretty risky, right? If you don't close here, price can bounce up because that's a discount price, you know. Look, that's a discount price. Don't like. Wait, where it is? Sorry, I'm kind of finding my Gen box here. Right, so look. So if you take a, what is this line? I never used this line before. What is it? That okay? My bad for that. But look, that's the premium price from the previous H1. So you want to see a grab external, pull back inside the range, you know, and then retarget maybe discount. And then that's not it. That's not it. If you miss the short and the previous H1 is a bullish order flow, right? Like a bullish candle. There's a different way to trade this setup. All right. So let's say this is a low, right, on the AQ. All right, I'm gonna show you the next setup. So this is a first setup, right? I hope people take notes from that because that actually clean, I feel like. Okay, so but that's an internal liquidity setup, right? But if you miss this setup, you still have a chance to take something. So external liquidity taken, market structure shift, retracement into fair value gap, OTE from this specific range, come back to AQ above this low, deliver those stop loss, you know, from those buyers. So those buyers that got activated here, their stop loss was below here, every low here basically. Sometime price gonna reach for this external opposite liquidity and pull back after. You know, that can happen too. Always depend on how much they wanna do damage, you know. I can say maybe. But so let's say let's do like a regular stuff, you know. So pull back to fair value gap, pull back to EQ, sweep below this low here. Then here, another displacement. Oh, another displacement. What is it? Retracement to fair value gap, OTE, and you know, shooting star. So if you miss this sell setup, you see nice reaction into discount from previous H1, you know. Previous H1 discount in the order flow bullish from H1 because this H1 was closing bullish, right? So technically it's gonna be like something like that. And this candle's gonna be, I mean, this week's gonna be something like that. On the higher time frame perspective, this is gonna be that, you know. But on the lower time frame perspective, this is what time frame is best. So you base your bucks on previous 1 hour, and you can trade from 1 to 5 time frame, from 5 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, 30 second, 15 second, and I sometimes use 5 second. I'm a degen trader, you know. But you can see some stuff. So you get on a 15 second, 30 second, when you have good experience in this industry, you really can see the reaction of specific level. Because remember, right? This is very important. This high, this 50%, and this low is fractal. What does that mean? That means in any single time frame on the planet, you still have those perfect price and data. You know what I mean? This high, this high, this low, this 50%. Even if you're on a 2-second time frame, this line's gonna be the same, you know, because this is fractal. This is the fractal from the market. What do you personally do? 1 minute or 5 minutes? I like 1 minute, but that's the thing. That's the thing. That's very, very important. If you don't understand that, you cannot trade that setup. Your displacement, all right? Your displacement. When you see a displacement, what is it? Displacement is a, if you if you check like ICT videos and all that, it's an elephant jumping in a pool, right? So that's an obvious displacement. That's an obvious movement. That's a, you know, obvious displacement. That's the word, I feel like, right? But that's the thing also, like, because I misplot that thing, but you want to see this market structure too here, you know. But let's say, okay, so maybe I can draw it back, because just to make sure that people really understand. Grab above this high, market structure shift, pull back fair value gap, OTE, reach EQ below this low, come here, create that, pull back again, right? Market structure shift, oh, displacement market structure shift, oh, into an EQ, oh, double reaction, you know. But we also have market structure shift, displacement, all right, pull back into fair value gap, OTE, and boom, to the moon, you know. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. So market structure shift above this specific high, but also we grab liquidity below this low, right? That makes sense. Okay. Fair value gap here, right? It's not hard, like, it's very not hard. Just need to practice, you know. Very not hard. All right, fair value gap here between the low from the grab to market structure shift. You want to see this fair value gap here. And look, if you don't see the fair value gap on the 5 minute, you want to go on the 4 minute. If you don't see the fair value gap on the 4 minute, you go on the 3 minute. If you don't see on the 3 minute, you go on the 2 minute. And if you don't see it on a 2 minute, you go on the 1 minute. And if you don't see it in a 1 minute and you are premium trading view account like me, you can use the 15-second, 30-second, and back and forth, and find your really clean fair value gap somewhere here, you know. And then the last detail that need to be add, it's gonna be your OT, which is also your displacement range, premium, and discount, you know. And look, price react into fair value gap, boom, retarget external. So that's just a natural flow from an order flow bullish, you know. So this is the explanation, you know. It's very simple. So you're missing the arrow. Let's go. Let's click. I just don't want to FOMO, you know. But okay, so this is what I want to see actually. That's really what I want to see. That's a displacement back inside the range. Let's go in the 3 minute. That's exactly what I want to see. Market structure shift right now on this low here. Okay. That's what I want to see right now. But also that's important, right? You want to wait for 3 candle to print to consider and for fair value gap, you know. Example, if I want to see a fair value gap in this top close, this bottom close candle, I want to wait for the next to print to also, you know. So let's go 2 minute. So you see nothing on 2 minute. So this is technically that's a fair, I mean, this candle is not closed yet, but this is gonna be maybe one. So 24 seconds left. But yeah, that's the setup that I want right now. That's absolutely a setup that I want. So 12 seconds. My fair value gap is here. I can identify right now, but that's exactly that. Oh, okay, no, I see. I see, I see, I see, I see. This here. You see that? If we go to 30-second. Yeah, 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 yeah. See that? Kind of missed it actually, but it's not. It's fine. I'm gonna take the next. I mean, this no, there. Okay, this area is not valid. The reason why we don't take this low here, so it's not valid. Okay, so let's see too. All right, so 14 second before the 5 minute close. Gonna have a 10 minute left on the 15, right? This 15 here. I like this 15 too. Maybe I would like to see the this 15 close activated, pull back, right? We'll see, we'll see. I don't stressed out at all. Like, look, I can place a sell limit in this area if I want to. So this here to this, uh, let's say this low, right? There's another one here, very, very small, but still. Yeah, I would like to see this high, to be honest. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, right? I'm gonna go in 30-second, 15-second. So let's watch that on the 15-second, right? This was clearly our market structure shift. You see that small little gap here? Used to do like maybe 1 or 2 per week. Maybe increase in the future. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so look, if this, okay, so, all right, so here's the plan, right? Here's the plan. It's gonna be the real plan, right? I mean, we'll see. But I would like maybe this 15-minute close bearish and then retrace into a premium from this 15 range, then retarget lower. But also we have 3 a.m. coming as well. That's the thing. So gonna be careful. I'm gonna put some timestamp, right? If you don't mind. Because I need those. So let's say we have 2:45 is gonna be our 15-minute close. Oh, this music's kind of weird, not gonna lie. Right, so feel like it's weird. Okay. same setup. So it's not worth to focus on that, you know. You know what I mean? It's not worth to focus on other people, capital, and all that stuff. So everybody trade the same thing, you know. Like this candle here, there's probably couple million in this candle right now. To move this candle like that, that's a lot of $1 million. That's a lot of that's a lot. So, you know. Four minutes left on this 15. Okay, you're just curious. No, it's fine. I just don't talk about money. I'm trading for the same result, you know. Because, you know, when I talk about, if you talk about money and all that stuff, it's just become intimidating, you know. Just not great for the process, you know. So let's adjust that. I would like this small fair value gap. Let's go to 30 second. I want to see that. I really want to read the narrative from the 15 second. I know this is kind of cringe, but okay. So we feel this fair value gap here, right? This small, this displacement down, we filled it already, right? But we never come back into this spot here. This candle, this move down here, we never like really filled it. This one, same thing. Do we have a round number, like a clear round number? Not really, right? Yeah, it's again the daily and weekly, but it's a scalp, right? The scalp. But also all the retail are short right now, so you know. That's why I would like to buy eventually. But that's the thing, you know. I want to buy. If I really want to trade for the time, I want to short to get a scalp. But if price reach below the yesterday EQ, I'm gonna buy, you know. But I don't think that's gonna happen like right now, you know. Because right now we cannot buy. We are on premium from previous day, you know. So it's not the best. I would like to take an entry above this into this imbalance here. So let's go back on a 3 minute just to see if I can see something very, very clear, you know. Yeah, this is gonna be my sweet spot. Yep. And this is gonna be the last 15 minute. That makes sense, actually. That really, really makes sense. This 15 minute, hold this one here. This low from this one. This low was 1.0234. This one is actually, what is it? That's this low here. So that's 1.164. Now 26 seconds left. I want to go on the smaller time frame. Just want to see that. So our 15 minutes gonna close in that's the last 15-second candle, right? Before the next. I'm just chilling. I don't know. I'm just relaxing. No stress at all. There's no stress at all. 3M's coming as well in 15. But I think this last 15 minutes can move. We'll see. We'll see. I see this move a lot. This kind of high here with two weird candles like that. This is a very nice, interesting area. But this will be very nice. If I can reach this range, damn, that could be very nice. Because I like this. I like this liquidity graph here. I like this displacement back inside the range here, to be honest. Okay. So yeah, you can go again. You can rewind the stream after and see. I've explained very well the silver bullet. So okay, that's what I like to see right now. How many pip left to go to this OTE? Because 2.5, that might be it. That would be very nice. I'll put this as my 15 right now because I want to see that. Okay, so top wick is kind of forming right now on this 15. We kind of grab above this. I'm gonna take, all right, so I'm gonna take a very small risk on this one because it's a weird setup, right? But so I have a sell right now on 181.88. Is it 88? Yes, is it 88? But I have, that's a wide stop, but that's gonna be a 1-to-1, right? So maybe I can. It's gonna be a 1-to-1 for now. But the thing is, I would like to add more, you know. I would like, if the price reach here, I'm gonna sell more, to be honest. But for now, it's gonna be that. Because I like the formation of this 15-minute high. Grab above this eye here. You know, that's kind of clean. So there's gonna be my IPDA loading here. And I would like to deliver downside below this low here. So it's gonna be my first target partial, right? And I would like to see this low taken too. I would like to see this low too. and I would like to see this previous 9-hour EQ taken. But so I'm already taking partial, guys, because you know I want to get paid at the end of the day, right? Even if I make 200 bucks, I just want to get paid by something. But you know, this is live actually, so if you guys like my entry, I mean, like the stream, you know, I don't know what to say. It's, you know, like I'm executing that stuff like all the time. So I'm taking partial right now. We take this low here. So you know, I don't wanna, you know, I just took like some. I took like 30% off here of my position. Just, you know, just in case. And I'm gonna reduce my risk too. Maybe like above the side, reduce that. So you see right now my risk reward increase. Huge stop? No, that's not a huge stop. That's a 5.8 pip stop. That's not a huge stop at all. I'm on a 15-second time frame right now. That's why that looks huge, but it's not really. Okay, so we reached the opening price. Let's see the reaction above. Let's see the reaction on the opening price. But we take this low, right? So we gotta deliver. Maybe we're gonna deliver here. You know. Okay, we're going down. I can prove to you that I'm in the trade. Look. I just opened my terminal. Look. That's my trade actually right now. You see that? That's my entry. So, you know, I'm transparent. I like this 15-minute. Look, you can see literally this 15-minute printing at the same time. On the side, I like this crab above this eye. My, you know, so my lows that I want to see right now taken is this low here. I want to see this low taken. Wait, I want to see this low taken as well. You know, this low here. I'm taking more partial right now. Just a 5% off. Yes, mentorship from ICT. I've been trading for 6 years. So, and that was not like people think that's easy, but that was not easy at all, you know, at the beginning. But you just want to focus on the same thing over and over and over and over and over, and you repeat it, you know, repeat it. Guys, it's not a signal stream, you know. just to make sure, you know. You see, this low got taken. We're probably gonna deliver above this small high here. Yeah. So, all right. So I need to set up what I want to do, right? So we have 6 minutes left on this 15, right? And it's gonna be the 3 a.m. open, right? So, okay, so we just deliver above those I. This I still fine, but we'll see. Okay, so we are going for this OT, I feel like, right? I'm glad that I took some partial off here, to be honest. Because right now, even if I got stopped out, I'm not losing a lot, you know, so it's perfect. But I don't think the price gonna reach back. We'll see. Okay, we just delivered those people here. Okay, so since we take those guy here, right? I want to see those low now. I mean, look, I promise you, if you study like all the ICT stuff, bro, like you can understand what's going on for real. Like it's not even a joke. It's 4 minutes left, 26 seconds. I want to see some spool right now. I want to see some spool right now. So that's the last 4 minutes. I want to see some movement. And you know what? At this point, right, I'm putting that break even, okay? So the reason why it's 3M's coming, and I really don't wanna see this 15-minute pushing back bear bullish. I don't wanna see that. I really don't wanna see that. Because I know what I want, you know, I know exactly what I want. I don't wanna see this. I don't want to see the price going back above the opening price here. I really don't want to see that. So my stop is at break even right now. So, and I already have partial off. So I'm gonna make money even if I'm getting stopped out right now, I'm still making money. So you know, look, my stop is at break even right now. You know. Okay, so this look got taken here. I don't like. I'm gonna take more partial, just a 5%, you know. Perfect. Because we took this low here, we took this low here, you know. So right now, this low is kind of taken. So I can put it black, and I can put a X because it's taken. You see that? They're gonna go back for delivery. That's the thing. I'm glad that I took more here, to be honest. Yeah, I just got stopped out. No, I'm still in. I'm out now. It's fine. Look, I make money. I really don't want to see this 15, to be honest, pushing back, so. But, you know, it's fine. 3M's coming, we're gonna get more set up. I really knew, like, this low here, I 100% knew this lows got taken, well, delivered to these people here. You know. Look what's happened. Like exactly that. We literally like activate more seller below this low, deliver to their stop loss basically. And right now, price gonna reach my OT, I feel like. But look, I make money actually. You see that? How I manage that? I hope people like that, you know. Yeah, that was 4.3 pips. But you can make money with that. You can make a ton of money with that. But that was a scalp, right? That's a scalping, you know. That's I was scalping, you know. So okay, I'm gonna remove some shit right now. No, this music not it for sure. All right, 3M open. So I want to see a grab, maybe above this eye. We'll see. That was my OT, if you guys remember that. Right, that was my OT. Which is fine, you know, it's perfectly fine. Let's do, all right, so let's do my silver bullet setup now, right? So let's put 1 hour. Right, so that's a fresh setup, right? A fresh setup. All right, so our previous hours bullish order flow. So I want to go against that. So I would like to see this eye got taken, right? I would like to see this eye taken. If I don't get an external taken, I don't want to take a trade for that. So this is my external. What is the, okay, that's a 15 minutes. So maybe I can put the 1 hour in. That could be nice. Yes, that could be really nice. So yeah, I want to see this eye taken, actually. Above the H1, yeah, exactly. That's what I want. Damn, this music's not it as well. God Reading the matrix, yeah, kind of. That's a PD array matrix. There's a lot of, you know, a lot of stuff in there. But, you know, it's kind of boring right now, to be honest. But I've made profit actually today, so that's fine. I'm trading the silver bullet right now, so this is the 3M to 4M. So I'm gonna put all my split, you know, my timestamp. So it's gonna be 315, right? 330, right? Let's go for that for now. I don't need like more clutter chart. Look, this fair value gap might get filled. Damn, this candle closed at the same level than the opening price. That's random, right? That is random. You see price bounce from EQ. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. This is another spool here. I want to see this delivered to this eye, you know, this eye here. That's the thing, you can read all that, you know, if you really take the time, you know. Some people are way too much distracted, you know, like way too much. So you can read everything if you want. You see that small imbalance got filled. You see that? Clean. Very clean. Now we're gonna try to see for this. AQ again, you know. So yeah, I'm waiting for an external liquidity taken for now on this one, H1 I mean. So it's no trade for me. Nothing. I'm just reading what's the price doing right now. We're gonna go for this low, I feel like, right? That's a very relaxed day, man. Let me see if Fixbook is fixed right now or not. Not fixed. Okay, my Fixbook's website is broken. That's crazy. Imagine you need to see something, whatever, you can. Yep, if you make $1, you make profit. That's the problem. People are way too more greedy, man. Everybody want the stacks, but they finish to deposit their paycheck, you know, because so now we took those low here. I'm just reading the price, right? And internal liquidity basically. So this, you know, this might be a high to deliver to. Is it the 4-hour HQ? That could be nice if it's really. Okay, so 4-hour. Okay, so this is okay. This is, yeah, this is exactly the 4-hour HQ. God damn it! Clean, 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 clean. I almost tempted to buy that shit actually, but you know, I don't want to enter a position in internal liquidity. You know, that's the thing. That would be nice if we take this low here and get a nice displacement back. That would be really nice. But at the same time, you know, that's gonna be a really small scalp, because the reason why is we are on a daily premium. So, you know, if price displays now here, that could be nice from this H4 range EQ, but we'll see. I can put that purple, I think. Oh, purple. There we go. Damn, okay, that's very, like, not purple at all. Okay, that's clean now. If price displays here above this small high, that might be something. Something happening right now for sure. Look at those small candle here. That's 30-second, right? So, okay, so price. Okay. This first 15-minute close here in 1 minute. So we are actually working on the FX4 model to just show the dashboard. So if you want to see the dashboard without all that, so you're gonna be able to change some stuff a little bit, but not too much. Yeah. It's a fair value. I mean, you know, that's a 30-second rating price, but still, you know. Alright, that's our last 15-second. New 15-minute open, right? This is really... Oh, that's a 1 hour. Okay. Oh, somebody's here, actually, I feel like. See that move? I would like to see the external taken, but I'm actually interested by this buy maybe, because that's the 4-hour EQ. And this 4-hour is bullish. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so we sweep below this low as well. Okay. Damn, imagine somebody just go by. He's fucked. He's fucked. Yes. And it's free. ICT teach everything for free. So that's kind of crazy when you think about that. But, you know, it's not like in a... I mean, that's a lot of study, right? You need to put in the work for sure. But, you know, it's a boring session right now. I don't like that. Damn, imagine I was still in this short right now. Big money, yeah, I feel like too. Somebody press something for sure. Somebody press something. $15-minute top wick. Okay, so if let's be clear here, right? If we break this high here, I might try a buy, right? So this low got taken out. If we break above this high here and we get nice displacement, that might be interesting, to be honest. And the unique reason on that is because that's the discount from a previous 4-hour. This small range here, this exact small range here, is a discount from a previous 4-hour. So, you know. All right, so I'm focusing on this trade right now. We already have a 5-minute close, which was actually convincing for a buy, right? This 5-minute close. Look, I can show you the previous. I mean, no, you cannot see the previous 5 minutes. So, but the last 5-minute close bullish, rejecting this EQ from H4. So I would like to see displacement, retracing into displacement, going long, target those high. And when they're gonna go for those high, after that's gonna dump for real. But for now, no market structure shift. So no trade for me, at least. That's a 15-minute high. You see that this week here. If I go back on the 1 minute, you see that like this is all the previous 15 minute. Oh, this is clean actually. This move is clean. Below this low here. That's kind of savage. I like that. I would like to see the price pool now. This is gonna deliver here above this high, I feel like. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Six minutes 54 seconds. Oh. Uh-oh. Glad to meet a live stream where someone used PO3 in the highest possible. That nice. Welcome. Honestly, I really like this liquidity grab below this low into an H4 EQ. That looks promising, honestly, for a buy. We'll see. We'll see. Something that I would like to see is the 4-hour on the PO3 here. Ooh, okay. That is nice. You see that 4-hour candle respect the low from the previous H4. So, you know. It's a massive, oh damn, that was a massive push here. See that? At the opening of the H4, okay, so look at the, oh no, that was the 2 a.m., right? That was at 2 a.m., okay. That makes sense. Really nice. Yeah, the FX4 model and my tool is two different things. But, you know, I have all the detail in my Discord if you want to read that. Like, every possible oh, we re-grabbed this low? Holy fuck. See that? Re-grab this low again? Okay. Now I want to see displacement, like something crazy, like a real push like that, you know, something like this candle here, you know, just because there's nothing happening right now. You see that 15 minutes at 5.8 pip, it's shit, you know, it's not good. If we take this low again, damn. 4 minutes left for the 15-30 minute close. Those two candles kind of important. You can go in the 30 minute. We'll see that. Let's go on the 15. That's the thing. You cannot buy like, oh, okay. Oh, damn, that's my displacement. You see that? That's my displacement right now. Holy shit, that is clean. That's my market structure shift here. Into AQ. So I want to see this candle close to identify my fair value gap. You see that move? That was obvious move here, right? You know, right? Okay, so from ear to ear, right? Just got invalidated. Okay, so this is just a wick basically. It's that's introducing our buy, but not. It's not a, you know, it's a very small market structure shift here, but you know it's not something going on right now. I feel like so many lows taken, you know, like they gotta deliver somewhere, you know, something. Hey bro, just want to say thank you for creating the indicator. Bag it 4 wins. Damn, that's nice, man. 6%? God damn it, bro. That's like 3 months for me. No, that's crazy. Oh my god. It's very nice, man. I'm glad that people can use it. Just go on my website. There's a link on the pinned message, whatever. Yep. Yeah. Alright, let's focus up on this trade, right? Please. Uh, 1 minute left on this 30-minute close. Something going on right now. I know that. EQ from H4. It's just kind of messy right now, but you know, there's might something to do with that shit. What was that? The 15. So maybe I can put my actual 4 hour, I guess. Something is going on right now for sure, bro. I just want to see a, you know, okay, I think we're gonna get it. I want to see a real candle broke above those highs, something, you know. But we're gonna get it. Just relax, you know. 3:30. I can mark up my next 15-minute, right? So that's my 45, and I want to see my 4 a.m. as well. That's gonna be your playground for that trade. Can I? Oh, I'm gonna move. Just want to move that a little bit more further. Maybe I can put 60. Nice. That's what I want. All right, now we have room, we have clarity, you know, it's clear. Because, you know, like ICT said, when you don't see something, oh, I like this 15-minute candle, damn, bro, like, that's nice. Rejecting this H4 EQ, that's like the best foundation you can get. Yep. This might be our market structure shift above this 15-minute high. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I know. It's coming. It's coming. Just need time, you know. Everything takes time, you know. Nice. No escape, you know. You know. Okay. Are we regrab below this low? For real? No, I never try future contract. It's probably interesting, yeah. That's a good idea. I'm gonna note that on somewhere. But, you know, if it's, I mean, is it like EU still, or? That's really EU? Yeah, that's 6 EU too. Okay. But is it like the same movement or something? I guess. That looks interesting, to be honest. We gotta get out of this fucking range, man. We're stuck there for so many time. But look, I can add this thing here so we can see something, right? It's gonna 15 minutes. So look, that's our 15-minute range, right? Bro, your mind like both, oh, short, oh, what is this? That's not professional work. Bro, if you're not happy, you can leave, man. I not ask anybody to come here, bro. Like, you know, you can focus on your trading. You can do whatever you want, man. You know. I'm reading the price when it's on a 30-second, 1 minute candle, like, you know what I mean. You know, if you don't like the stream, you can quit. You know, I ask nobody to stay, you know, like, just crazy, you know. Like, it's not because I'm on live stream that I trade differently, you know. I trade the same way, like, the same thing, like, I'm reading what I'm seeing right now. This is what I want to see right now. If we break above this 15-minute high, retrace to EQ, let's go move up. It's gonna be the setup, right? We're gonna get it. It's coming. It's forming. It's forming. Yeah, if you don't understand the language, it's normal, you know, because you know, ICT is a language, you know. So it's not the conventional stuff, you know. But you know, let's focus up, right? Please. I want to see this 15-minute eye break, pull back to EQ, rejection from EQ like a real spool stuff. We technically we are in the PO3 range. We are in the middle of this 1 hour, so I want to see some movement right now. That was close, damn. Here retracement to EQ. Oh yeah, for sure. I don't care about people, honestly. You know, it's just, it's fine. You know, it's fine. All right, so I'm in a long position right now on EU, right? If you guys don't know, I'm in a long right now. So I want to retarget those high here. My stop is below here, right? The reason why, okay, so we break this high here, pull back to this small fair value here, into rejection from an EQ. This 15-minute looks convincing for me, right? If this low respect this low, I think we can continue going up. So let's see. It's just my thoughts, you know. I don't ask anybody to take anything, you know, just I'm risking my stuff, you know. So if you don't understand this setup, don't take the trade, please. It's not a signal services to, you know. So, you know. But I like this reaction with no bottom wicks from this specific level. If you're gonna smaller time frame, you can see the structure, you know. And I don't like this sound. So, but I don't risk like that much as well, right? Because we are on a premium from previous day, so you know, don't want to risk too much. You know. Let's go back on the 1 minute. Look, I see this 15-minute here, you know, in the real time. Closing in 6 minute, you know. So I would like to see a bounce from there, this AQ here. Oh. That's the previous 15-minute AQ. Let's see if we can bounce from there, or we gonna grab below this small low and push back, I guess. We'll see. You know, if I'm losing this trade, it's fine, you know, like, I don't mind. Because I know why, you know, if I lose it, I'm gonna know why, you know, so it's fine. I just believe the displacement was not super great. 4 minute left. If this previous 15 low is respect, we're good. But if not, we're dead. Look, if I extend that here, you see that? This 15-minute low. If this low is respect, we're good. But we'll see. We still have 90 minutes for this setup to form. We'll see. For now, this session is kind of slow because look, since we open at this hour, we did maybe it's a 13 pips, so you know it's not huge. Will you ever release it? Yeah, I've released one. I can post the, if you want, I can post the link. But just check this website. It's kind of cool. This is for this specific model. But also, you know, like when there's no like external taken, you don't want to risk that much, you know. Because, you know. You know, if this 15-minute hold, the low from this 15 is gonna be okay, but might be surprised, man. At the end, like at 3:45, that's 15 minutes gonna close in 2 minutes. That last 15 minutes can explode, you know, like it's always like that. If you anticipate the last 1 hour, yeah, you can do that if you want. You can do whatever you want, you know. There's no like requirement. Yeah, I would like to see previous DDQ, but no, I would like to maybe activate more buyer to go down after, you know. That's why. I'm still in the trade, by the way, like. I'm just gonna close my eyes and come back later, you know. No, but I usually trade with alert, you know. Just put like an alert like that. Boom, you know, above and hold high. Just put my alert below here. Because, yes, you can manage, but, you know. One day I will become profitable, I know that I struggle. I mean, you know, you just need to find a way, you know. Just need to find one model and replete and reproduce it, you know, every time. So we 46 seconds before this last 15 minutes from the hour. So that's what I would like to see. You know, I just joined. Is this silver bullet? Yeah, we're kind of. I'm in a long right now. Base of this information, but we'll see. You know. I would like to get above those high here. Took a short earlier on. Took some partial. Still like make profit with it. Not too bad. And still have this eye in consideration too, you know. We take a lot of lows here. You know, like this. You check those 15 minutes here. This low still respect this low. So we'll see if this 15-minute low can respect this one too, you know. But still need to form like a lower wick. So maybe we're gonna grab below this low. I don't know. We'll see. My stop loss is still below this 15 here. And those line here is my alerts basically. But it's nothing going on right now. Look at this 15 minute. That's a 5.6 pip, man. What the fuck? Really relaxed, you know. If you guys are not in the Discord yet, you can join too, right? There's a link on the chat. There's like a pinned message you can use. And we're just sharing the same, but not the same setup, but everybody's ICT trading, you know, in this Discord, and it's nice. There's a lot of active people. So you guys looking for something, you know, just want to talk with somebody, you know, it's fine. All right, so we are going for the 15-minute bottom bottom wicks. I feel like no, maybe not. I might never get a bottom wicks on this 15. I don't know. We'll see. I'm in profit right now. You know, not shit ton of profit, but I'm just waiting. Okay, so this is the formation of the 15-minute low. The bottom wicks. If you check here, those are 15 minutes. So this 15 minute, this 15 minute, this 15 minute. All those 15 minute are trending in reality here on the smaller time frame. Okay, so this is what I want to see right now. Okay, somebody just press a button right now. You see that flip move weird like that? I'm in profit, yeah, but you know, just doing that thing, you know. But it's slow right now. It's very relaxed, you know. That 1 hour was not good, not good. Because look, that's the green box is my previous 1 hour, right? And look at the 1 hour we got right now. It's shit. It's shit. Look at this movement, man. It's very shit. That's why I'm just want to push like maybe above those. I'm gonna close everything and call it a day, you know. That's it. It's gonna be that. It's gonna be that. Where's the thing? So 10 minutes left in 41 seconds. So I don't know. I want to see the move soon. Because if we don't get a move, I'm just gonna close this trade, and it's gonna be that's it. You know, it's gonna be that. Okay, I like this reaction. I like this previous M1. This previous minute one is nice. I feel like we'll see. I basically trade for 7 years, but it's more 6 years. I'm trading ICT for 3 years, maybe 3.5. Damn, it's very messy right now. God damn it. Slow, man. So that's the last 10 minutes, guys. You know, just waiting something happen because it's very slow right now. Yes, I mostly trade London session, but I like to trade New York sometimes. Depend of what you see, you know, like depend of a lot of stuff. I have two funding account and my own account that I use. Okay, so we grab previous 15 low. Can we bounce from there? Let's go on a smaller time frame. I want to see that. Look, we'll literally grab previous 15-minute low, right? So let's see. If we bounce from there and we go back in profit, I'm gonna close everything. It's gonna be that for today, honestly. I don't like this price act. Not this price action, but I just don't like... The price doesn't move at all. Like, I cannot, like, make, you know, like, some crazy move, you know? There's just shit. It's just nothing moving, man. You know. Okay. Yes, I have the XY on my second monitor. Yeah, it's just an accumulation still, you know, like we're still accumulating right now, and I don't like that. Be honest. 6 minutes left. Let's see, right? Let's see. I'm down to let this trade go, honestly. I don't risk too much because we are in premium from previously, you know, so I don't want to buy too much over there, you know. That was just like base of the previous H1, but looks, I don't know. Look, we grab above this high here. Go below this low. Might bounce from here, because we took previous 15-minute low, so I wanna deliver somewhere, you know. Like this low here. But, you know, it's pretty relaxed, not fun. Alright, so it's done for this one, you know, it's fine. All right, so GG. So my sell was the best actually. Look, if you check like the sell that I took on this rejection from my FX4 here, but you know, reaching my EQ here. But that's like, look at those candles. This is shit right now. Like, look at those candles, man. That's crazy. Which is fine, you know. No setup. Yes, I'm gonna trade tomorrow maybe, but I'm think I'm done for the day actually. That's what I said. When I see this kind of setup, I don't like it, you know. It's like, this is your previous daily range. We are above previous daily high and premium, you know. So that's why I want to risk too much on a buy on this area. Even if the price is above, you know. It's what it is. It's fine, you know. But yeah, if you guys want to understand more like about the silver bullet that I've talked, I think it's in the middle of the stream, you know. I've been on for 2.3 2.5 hour already, so just gonna close the stream, I feel like. But yeah, right now they're just going against this order flow here, you know, so it's fine. And actually, I have missed a lot of stuff on the chat, so I'm gonna read all that later on. This is my first time to watch your live. Thank you so much. Yes, I appreciate you, man, coming. I hope you learned something. That's the thing right now. Like 80% of 80% of retail trader is short on that shit. You know. So you know, for sure they're gonna go higher later on, but it's not the right time. You know, it's fine. Look, those. Look at this 1 hour candle, man. Look, this one, this. They all print on top of each other. Like, it's a barcode, basically, you know. But still, you know, like my FX4 model was saying like to go short in this area and stop above this high target EQ, you know. And if you go in the lower time frame, you know, you probably have, you know, setup is pretty much there, you know. So that was the main thing. I've took the short, like, and I've closed some partial on that, but on the transition between 3M and 249, 59, I close it, you know, break even. So it's fine. And if you check the 1 hour, there was some kind of a, because that's, you know, that's like here you have some kind of a above this eye, you know, just I was thinking maybe like, you know, just come back at least at this area, but you know, it's fine. Perfectly fine, you know, I don't fucking care. But look, the setup is clean now if you watch that on 2 minute, 3 minute. But it's very choppy. Look at this candle, man. There's nothing like very clear there, you see that? Even if it looks clear when you on zoom, whatever, like look at all those candles, man. It's just I was stuck in that shit, yeah. So. 2.5 risk reward. Nice, man. Amazing. Nice job. 3R. Nice, nice, nice. That's what I mean. Like, there's trade for everybody. There's trade for everybody. It's all dependent on how you see the market, right? Yeah, exactly. The algo would know how to do that. Yeah. Now you see AQ from this accumulation range of 9 hour. So, you know, price might bounce from there, just wipe people off, going back up, down, you know. Just to cancel all those people that go short here. It's like, that's almost the same thing. Look at all those people buying, getting stopped out, you know, all it's the same thing, but against the previous order flow, basically. Oh yeah, this model is very good, man. If you can practice it, understand it, a lot of stuff to understand on it, but it's nice. It's very nice. All right, so if you guys are still there, you can like the stream, join the Discord. What else? What else? You can sub the channel. That gonna help to achieve the goal for the end of the month of 3,000 subscriber. It's just a personal goal, you know. Don't need that for anything else than that. So I hope you guys like that. I mean, that was not a great stream, to be honest. I feel like that's the thing, right? When you lose a trade, like, people are mad, you know. If they took the trade at the same time as you know, they are mad. Like, they don't like you anymore, you know. That's the thing. And ICT told that, you know, and he respect that, you know. So, which is fine, you know. You cannot like always win. I thought like if I was losing my account, but it's not the case. I just lose nothing. Like I've made a little bit of profit on the other trade that I took, the short. Then I was kind of risking the profit that I've made here on this buy. And pretty much close like nothing, you know. But it's fine, you know. I don't care. I don't need that. I mean, yeah, I think I'm, you know, I'm just myself, you know. I'm not somebody else. So 27 June. Oh my god, what was this setup? Is it on YouTube, I think, right? Let me go check that. If I can explain you that, I'm gonna explain you that. If I can't, I can't. But one sec. I just need to find it, you know. So I never like I don't remember all my trade, you know. Like I've took one trade a day, so 27 is probably how many days? Damn, 27 June. So that mean like 20 days ago or something? Not too sure, man. No, it might be hard to find that trade actually. And okay, so that's 20, so that's like 13 days, something like that, right? Is it this trade maybe? What's that? I'm gonna screenshot that. Is it this trade maybe? Right? That was this trade? Maybe? So if maybe I don't know if this is this trade that you're talking about, it's very simple, right? This is the first 15-minute. So this no, that's the second 15-minute from the hour, right? So this 15-minute here go above my range, displays, come back inside the range, displays, blah blah blah, and this 15-minute close bearish with a pin bar here on the daily. So I was like, okay, so this range got reject. This is my foundation for the setup. Anticipate the next 15-minute, you know. And when the low from this 15-minute got taken out, I just wait for a pullback inside the range. Around OTE, fair value gap, all that company, you know. Just take a short targeting the EQ from this accumulation range, pretty much. But yeah, I was looking like that basically. Look, I can maybe, can I do that? What's it? Oh, let's replay this one, right? So let's go on the 15-minute, right? So, okay, so you see that big wick here? Okay, so wait for the next 15-minute, right? Let's go on a 2-minute just to make sure that you can see. So what time is it now? 2:32, all right? So look at this 15-minute here. The last 15-minute has a huge push above the range, right? Oh, you see that? That's a fair value gap here, right? You know, you see. Back to EQ. EQ is the equilibrium from the range, basically. Look. So for 9, okay, so look, for 9, okay, so that's very simple, right? For 9 hours, the price range in this specific area, right? That's the FX4 accumulation range from the open, the daily, to 2 a.m. That's a massive range, right? What I want to see is the turtle soup above the eye, right? Displacement. This is my displacement back inside the range. And in this range, you can have a fair value gap. And then, you know, you can put your stop above this eye. So if you enter somewhere here, you put your stop above this eye. Retarget the equilibrium from this range. From this whole range, you know. And then look, price come back to equilibrium. So that was, my boy here was not really a good idea. So, but it's fine, you know. If you go in the lower time frame, you can see that fair value gap got pretty much filled, you know. But it's not looking good. Look at this candle, man. It's shit, you know. It's not looking good. So basically what I was looking for when I bought here, I was looking for just a whip, you know, just a whip that gonna wipe all those people, maybe this high, and then after go down. But you know, looks like I was imagining something that doesn't exist, which is fine, you know. I hope you understand more what I mean by that. The 50-minute candle on the right, is that your, yes, that's the, no, that's the PO3 indicator, this one. Okay, so I can show you guys my indicator, right? That I sell an indicator on my website. It's very simple stuff, you know. I mean, I've kind of explained it back then, but you know, it's fine. Alright, so let's clear everything. Just a massive cleanup, right? Okay, so look at this. You can select whatever you want, right? Oh, what is this? Okay, so look. That's crazy, actually. That's crazy. You see that? That's crazy. So, look at this, alright? This is your 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., right? 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's a time range, and this is your price range. You know, that's your previous H1 basically. And look what's happened here on the next H1. Grab under the low, sell side liquidity, external from this 1 hour range. Then look, price come back up to where? EQ from this range. And it's just logical, right? And this can be used on 30-minute. You know, like right now we reach 30-minute EQ. We can use it on the 4 hour if you want. You see? Reach above here, pull back to EQ. Almost reach the bottom here. You see that? Like this. Okay, so this was the move right here. You know, that was way before. That was at 1 a.m. Alright, 1 a.m. So look, liquidity got taken out above by stop here. You know, for example, you go short. You know, retarget EQ because that's a price rebalance from this order flow. You know. You know, close everything here. You know, that's the tool that I have available for people that want to try it or use it or whatever. That's a very, very, very nice tool. You can use 12 hours you want, you know, but you know, that's a different setup, right? You can use whatever you want, you know. Even can use 15 minutes if you want. Look. You see that 15 minute? Open, reach into equilibrium, then pull back down, you know. You see, like, I can go to 15 seconds if you want to see that. But look. And this is your actual 15 minutes. So you see that 15 minute, what it does? Open, reach into EQ, premium, boom, they actually really sell. You see that reaction here? Then, you know, like this is the wicks from the actual 15 minutes just dropping, you know. It's fine, you know. So basically if if your external is taken first, you can reach EQ. If you reach AQ first, you can take a short to going back down and reach this external. You know what I mean? Because if the external is taken first, there's no reason to coming back down, you know? Or less chance to coming back down. Alright, so I'm gonna close the stream, guys. Like, I've been on for almost 3 hours. God damn it. That the time go fast, you know. Now that shit's moving up now. Feel like, it's fine. Damn, I missed so many message. Thank you, great, and yeah, that's a nice tool, man. It's very fun to use, and so many setups, so many IDs that you can generate with that. If you like trading that way, you know, like I'm a reversal trader all the time. So. If you want, okay, so look, I'm gonna post the link last time, right? But you can, I have a grid line. I've made a grid line, and explain pretty well how you can take entries and all that. It's a very nice grid, and I have like a checklist and all that. Look, maybe I can screenshot and show that. Oh, it's too large. Okay. I just don't know how I can. But look, it looks like that basically. You know, so you want to wait for external from the previous range to be taken. Ook, meaning like you activate some sell side, you know. Wait for displacement back inside the range. So you want to see displacement back inside the range. Look for an FVG between the market structure shift and the low of the grab. So you want to see like fair value gap forming in this specific area. You want to use a fib from the top to the low, and you want to see the price reach the fair value gap between 0.5062 OTE. You're gonna execute your trade from there. Your stop's gonna be on the low from the grab or the high, whatever, if you buy or sell. Then, you know, you manage your risk from there. You manage your trade. It's not complicated. And look, but I mean, if you go on the website, you can see all that. But look, I have some picture of some model. You see that? The model that I use sometimes. I like this one. But like, don't go to try and use the box with a 5 minute, you know. Just if you're already in a trade and you're gonna smaller time frame, it'd be 15-30 seconds. You can go in the 5 range, but you know. Then yeah, they have a lot of information over there on the website. So you know. All right, guys. So quitting the stream right now. I hope everybody likes the stream. Just push the thumbs up. You know that help the algorithm to from YouTube to push the thing to the right people. All right. So see you guys soon and be safe.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profane.